The steam engine, for its size, is one of the most powerful vehicles on land. And the steam engines that make up Hornby World are no exception. This is Hornby Adventures.
Good to be pulling the express again. After doing it for not very long, I am really glad to doing it again.
James,
Hi, Yoshi.
I have to put you on goods trains duties for the night.
What?
The other engines are busy and Percy's absent, so you'll have to do it, unfortunately.
No, sorry. Why can't Percy do it? He likes that job. He likes working with Sparky.
Useful engines don't argue, just go.
Fine. But be aware.
And I expect you to be on time as well.
He should be here by now.
Let's go so we can get this job over with.
Listen, I don't want to be here just as much as you don't want to be here.
Thanks for your friendly advice. Really helpful.
Okay, well, thank you for that,
Very
Mr. Sarcastic.
appreciated.
Can you hear that howling sound as well? Because it's honestly creeping me out. Okay, there's no... Dude, why have we jolted backwards? We need to go forwards to get this load delivered, right?
Oh, yeah. Right. Sorry about that.
Uh-huh. That's what I thought. But I saw something. It was Alex. With a bloody face and everything. Oh, please, don't tell me you're believing in this ghost crap. I may tell stories, but I definitely don't believe in them. What? Oh, hey! What was that about? Thanks to you, now we're stuck in the middle of nowhere. Thank you a lot. But it wasn't my fault. There's a set of buffers on these lines. A set of buffers which haven't been here before. Somebody must have planted them recently. I don't know. I've been down this line all morning and I've not seen a set of buffers. You are honestly chatting... Wait. The wind. What is up with that wind? James, can you explain to me what's going on? Well, how do I know? I don't know this wind crap. Wait. I hear puffing ahead. Hello? Who's there? Show yourself. So we're not alone. Can somebody show yourself? I'm not a fan of this. Just let us be. Please. Okay. They're not responding. Hello? Oh? No. I refuse to believe it. No. I do believe it. I do believe it. I do believe it. Things are going mental. We can't stop it. This is too natural for us. Help! Somebody! Forget saving us. What's that face? It's a demon monster, and he's with Alex and Shadow as well. I've just noticed him. Do you want to go back? I agree. Let's get the hell out of here. Okay, let's not go any further. Let's stay here for the night. Agreed. Wait, I hear something. Help! Stop! Help! Guys? What are you doing here? That's my question as well. What are you guys doing here? Don't ask me. What happened? We saw natural coincidences. Oh, don't worry. We saw them too. We've seen ghosts all around this area. And I heard something about Percy talking about ghosts too. Wait. Hang on a minute. Wait. What? Why are you confused? Tell us. Why are you confused? Percy has not returned. He's probably been captured by these ghosts. You're right. We have to go save him. You mess with one ghost engines, you get the whole lot. Come on, guys. Let's get ready for a battle we will never forget.
Oh, for God's sake, not again. I've just been dragged into one. I don't want to go in another one.
Well, too bad. You're going.
God damn it.